Welcome back to the Dry Fire Journal. This is day 200. And today we're on the live fire range, so I'm not using a barrel block, but I do have a completely clear P30L. And what we're going to work on today is a transition technique. It's a physical thing that I think often gets overlooked. We have worked a lot on what our eyes do as we move our eyes first and allow our eyes to lead the way and have our sights trail as close as we can behind them all the way to target. We've even talked about the idea of transitioning at speed and then giving ourselves a little bit of time to coast to our next target. Tyler and Mirko were both very helpful on that. Today, what I want to talk about is as you transition from your target, let's say it's over here, and now you are going to transition to here, which hand is doing the work? Because we talk about having shooting hand grip, support hand grip do all the work. But as you move off of target and transition the pistol to next target, is it your support hand that's doing the driving, or are you pulling with your support hand, or does it switch? If you are a right-handed shooter and you are moving from left to right, my suspicion is that your shooting hand is pulling the gun. And if you are moving from right to left as a right-handed shooter, your shooting hand is likely pushing the gun, which means that your support hand is having to catch up on grip while your visual input is transitioning from one place to another, meaning that as you transition from target 1 to target 2, if your support hand isn't doing the work of transitioning the gun and letting your shooting hand maintain whatever level of grip you believe is optimal for you, then you are having to overcome way too many things in order to get those accurate hit or hits, plural, on that next target. So today, what I'm going to work on and what I invite you to work on is letting your support hand transition from target 1 to target 2, or from target 2 to target 1, and let your support hand do that work and see what happens. What I have found for me is that when my support hand does the work of transitioning the gun, my gun gets there a little bit smoother, and my dot or my front sight is easier to acquire as it trails my vision as close as possible to that next target. So today, I want you to hang a couple of Post-it notes or draw some dots with Sharpies on a big target, or pick some spots in the direction of least consequence in your dry fire area, and just do a few transitions and figure out what's happening in your grip, and let your support hand be what drives the firearm from target to target as it follows your eyes to the target. See what happens. Let me know how this goes. Put in some work, and I'll see you tomorrow.